Okay, so for today's video, we're going to convert 5 millimeters to kilometers. In this scenario, we have to convert it twice. Okay, we have to go from millimeters to meters, and then meters to kilometers. Let me show you what I mean. Do not go from millimeters to kilometers. So I'm going to do millimeters to kilometers. Do not do that. Instead, go from millimeters to meters to kilometers. Right? This is the base unit. That one in the center, right? The base unit, meters. So we got to go back here before we go to the next step, okay? Alright, so let's do this. First, we write what they give us. 5 millimeters. Next, we draw the little train track. Okay? We go back to meters first. So, I'm going to put 1 millimeter. Remember, if we see a prefix, we put a 1. Now, we have to find out how many meters go in 1 millimeter. So, if I look at this chart, okay, I'm going to find milli. So, it says that for every milliliter, right, or millimeter, I'm sorry, there's going to be 10 to the negative 3 liters, or meters, okay? Again, sorry about that. So I'm going to say this is 10 to the negative 3. Okay? So I can cross off millimeters and millimeters. Alright, but we're not done, right? We have to go from meters to kilometers. So I'm going to go ahead and write meters down here so that they cancel off, and kilometers on the top. So what we have here is 1 kilometer, because that's the prefix, and now we have to find out how many meters goes into kilometer. So again, I'm going to go over here. I'm going to find kilo, right here. We see that for every kilometer we have, there's 1,000 meters, or 10 to the 3 meters. Okay? So there is 10 to the 3 meters. Okay? Next, I'm going to make it equal to. So here's my calculator. You can also use Desmos or any scientific calculator. Right? We're going to start with the top. It's going to be parentheses 5. Okay? And I'm going to do multiplied by 10 to the power of negative 3. Okay? If you want to use the E, you can. Alright? So you hit enter. And then you're going to divide by. You don't need to divide by 1, but you will have to divide by 10 to the power of 3. Okay? And that should be your answer for example 5. So I'm going to write 5 times 10 to the negative 6, right? Since these meters cross off, it's going to be kilometers. Okay?